Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you about equals method of object class. Now first I have to understand what is equals method and in which class equals method is available. To understand equals method, first we need to understand object class, right? Now object class. Some points about object class. Object class is the super class of all class in Java, whether it is predefined or user defined, right? To understand this, we are taking example. I am making one class public class first, right? Inside this class we are going to write main method like this. Right, we are writing this only, but compiler is going to add implicitly these two words, extends object, right? If you want to know is it really written or not by the compiler, then we are going to take an example. First I am going to make project, Java project, object class programs, right? Package, I am going to write package name as equals method, right? I am going to make one employee class, employee, right? Here I am writing one simple class and I want to print something on a screen. Welcome to Java. Here if we run this program, it is going to output welcome to Java. But what I have told you in the statement, object class is the super class of all class, means all the classes in Java is the subclass of object class. But here we are not writing any extends or implement keyword and extending or implementing object, how it is done and how implicitly every class is the child class of object class. Now see, these two word or two statement added by the Java compiler implicitly to make every class as object child class. If we run this program, same result, right? Are many methods available in object class. Some of them are equals method, hash code method, get class method, etc. Today I am going to explain you about equals method, right? Equals method, equals method, equals method. First I am going to understand the nature of equals method. Equals method compare two objects based on memory location. Example, assume there is a class employee, right? We are going to compare two employee object. Employee E equal to new employee. I have written two property inside employee class. Properties are name of a string type, comma, age of integer type. I am providing name Kundan and age 25, right? I am creating one more object. E2, and if we try to compare these two objects, dot equals E2, it is going to return false, because maybe content of both the class are same, but both the object are referring to different address location, and equals method of object class is going to check address location. If the address location are same, then it is going to return true, otherwise it is going to return false. Here it is going to return false. In order to customize our class so that it is going to compare two object content, we have to override equals method of object class. Now begin the programming. I have already created employee class. I am going to declare some of the properties. Private int age and name, right? I am creating parameterized constructor, so that during creating object we are going to initialize the instance variable of the class, right? I am going to create setter and getter. First, what I am going to do, I am going to create two object of employee class. Employee equal to employee, age to 5, name both the class object has same variable value, means inside age variable value is 25 and name is Kundan. Means if we try to compare two objects using equals method, it is going to return false, because equals method of object class is going to compare to object based on address location. If you want to know the address location, in Java we can't know the address location, but there is a method in object class, using that you can know it is referring to same address location or not. For that we are going to call the HighsCode method. HighsCode is going to give you the object representation of the class, or dot HighsCode. Both object has different HighsCode, means both object created at different address location. I am going to call this. Look, both the object has different address location or HighsCode. Now I am going to override the equals method of object class. Public boolean equals, it is going to take one parameter of object type, right? Now first we are going to employee equal to obj, but we can't assign object class object inside employee class reference. If we want to assign, we need to typecast it or downcast it. Now possible. I am going to compare both the object content. For that we are going to compare return this, means we are comparing current class object age with past object age. If both are same, then we are going to compare current class name and argument name. Then if this statement is true, then return true, is return false, right? Here name dot equals is going to check the content of the name, because a string class overridden equals method from object class. If you want to see, then press Ctrl and click on this method. Look, equals method overridden in a string class, right? That's why it is going to compare to a string object content, not address location. Here if we try to again run this program again, then it is going to return true, because we have overridden equals method from object class. Override, right? Now run the same program. What is the return? It is going to return true, because now it is going to compare two object content. If we try to make some changes inside any of the object, and if the content of the any object is not matching, then it is going to return false, right? Now again change the name. Thank you.